You know, when you sit back and you look at the progressive tax code system that we have here in the United States of America, we hear a lot of talk today about fairness and fair share and economic equality and shared sacrifice. But one of the things we have to come to understand, when you look at the top 1% of wage earners in the United States of America, they're paying close to 40% of the federal income taxes. When you consider the top 5% of wage earners in the United States of America, they're paying close to 58% of those federal income taxes. The top 25% of wage earners in the United States of America pay 86% of the federal income taxes. But of course now we're coming to understand that you have a large percentage of Americans, some say it's between 47 to 49%, that are paying absolutely nothing in federal income taxes. And it kind of reminds me, my dear colleague, of that movie Ben-Hur, when Judah Ben-Hur sent off to be on the Roman galleys. And of course the commander came down and he said very simply, row well and live 41. And of course we remember that beating. Ba, da, 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 da. Well, what happens on that Roman galley if only 25% is rowing? That's the situation that we have here in the United States of America. You will never get to ramming speed. We will never fully recover this economy so that we can have the capital that is necessary out there, so that Americans can be able to pay for these exorbitant gas prices, so that small business owners can expand their business. So I think that now is the time to do exactly what you're talking about. Look at fundamental tax code reform, so that we can eliminate things such as the death tax. We can eliminate things such as the dividends tax, which a lot of the seniors that I represent down in South Florida and pre-seniors, they depend upon those dividends. Why are we having these exorbitant taxes upon tax? So I think that this is a great opportunity to have this conversation, and I'm so honored that you allow me to stand here and spend some time with you this evening.
Well, very good.